So we were trying to make sure that the volumes were the same, but that the dimensions were different. So I could use 3 and 4 because all I need to do is look at factors of 12. And those are my factors of 12. And once again, remember that came from the area of the base of our box here has to be the same as the area of the base here because our height couldn't change due to the shelves. So I've used 3 and 4, so our box could be a 3 by 4. So if it's asking you to sketch it, or you could go up here and label it, and this is 3 and this is 4, and the height of it's still 10. But any of those factors of 12 will work. You could have done 6 and 2 or 12 and 1, however you wanted to do that. Same thing over here for you to try, different dimensions, so go ahead and pause it and see if you get the same answer. Alright, so once you've turned this back on, you can see when I found the volume of the triangular prism, I did 1/2 the base times the height. My base of my triangle was 8, my height was 3. That's where I got those numbers from, and half of that is 12, so that means the area of the base was 12. The height of this figure was also 12, so that meant the volume of it was 144. Then over here I had to take out my volume and put 144 in. We knew our height was 12. And then once again that base was 12, so I had to get, for right here, my length and my width, I had to use a multiple of 12. So this time I just picked 6 and 2, and I still get my 144 for my volume. So any of these would be possibilities that they would accept.